As a leading glass bottle manufacturing company, Valent has always been committed to low-carbon emission production. In order to develop environmentally friendly low-carbon glass melting process, Valent has launched several research projects. Increase in the promotion of glass recycling, reduce the fuel usage. Recycling 1 ton of waste glass can reduce energy consumption by 32%, 20% air pollution, 50% water pollution, can save 20% cost. Under the condition of ensuring physical performance, lightweight reduces fuel and reduces carbon emissions. For Green Planet, although we are a traditional energy-consuming enterprise, we are committed to reducing carbon emissions. The future will benefit from the advantages of new energy power generation. We will deploy more new energy power generation projects and transform gas into electric furnaces. The goal in 2030 is to achieve zero emissions use of all new energy. The company invested $200 million in the project, the first electric furnace in 2026. 1 factory area will be renovated in 2027, and 2 factory areas will be renovated in 2028. As an innovative enterprise, Valent not only promotes product innovation, but also bear environmental responsibility and creates a beautiful environment. Follow Valent and make packaging easy.